Today we're going to talk about where you're headed with your trading. Stay tuned, we'll be right back. Good day traders, I'm Stacey Burke from Stacey Burke Trading, and today we're going to be talking about using goals to head to where you want to go with your trading. Now, goals are one of the most important things that you can be doing, goal setting. Goals are part of the 7-step high performance routine for traders that I go through, and if you haven't done so, go to my homepage and get that. Just enter your email. I don't send you spam or anything else, but this program is a blueprint for setting yourself up with a high performance daily routine to get in the habit with all the things that are going to help you align and be congruent with the goals that you want in your trading. So oftentimes people don't pursue goals because they're unaware of the benefits. They're not sure how to actually go about that goal setting process. Some people have a fear of failing, or if they set a goal and they don't achieve it, those sorts of types of behaviors. But one of the great things about goal setting, if it's done properly, it can be a very powerful exercise in aligning all the other high performance activities and moving you step by step in a positive direction towards aligning yourself with the outcomes that you want in your trading. So let's go through that. So there's 4 simple questions you can go through on a regular basis, and what are your trading goals? So for some people, they say, I want to make a lot of money. Now we'll talk about that in a second, but it's about trying to be as specific as possible. Maybe you just want to become consistently profitable week in and week out. And for forex traders, that may be, I want to be able to be consistently profitable with 200 pips a week or 100 pips a week, but I want to be able to do that every single week. Why are these goals important to you? Okay, well, maybe you want to create an extra income stream. Maybe you're not happy in your current employment situation, or maybe you just have a keen interest in trying to grow your personal wealth. Whatever that is, but try and get specific. Now, sometimes as your learning evolves and as you unlock new things with your trading and everything else, these goals will continuously evolve, but it's really important to just consistently shape that and reshape it as you're moving closer and closer with your learning and the new realities of your progress to shaping that further and further to where you want to go. Are your goals clear and specific? Now this is where we use the SMART acronym. So are they specific? Are they measurable? Are they attainable? Are they relevant? And are they time bound? So again, people say, I ask them, well, why are you trading? I want to make a lot of money, or I hate my job. Okay, those aren't specific, they're not measurable, it's not attainable, it's not relevant, and it's not time bound. Now if I said to you, I want to consistently be able to produce 200 pips a week with my trading. Okay, well that's a bit more specific now. Now my trading system, as you've heard me talk about, I've moved all of my trading to end of day. I'm now using the Edgewonk trading software because I used to do everything by hand, but now I'm really seeing the importance of being able to enter that into the trading software, and it prints me out with this data that now is giving me some absolutely just incredible measurable statistics on my trades. Now then I can start to look and say, well, my trading system is only producing 20 pips a week, or it's producing 217 pips a week on average. So now I've got something that I can see it's specific, it's measurable, it's attainable. Now, if I do that over time and I'm following some key systems that I can reproduce with my trading system. So for example, if I was using an inside bar strategy, now that's very specific. If I've got certain setups that are very simply price action based, those are all specific, measurable, attainable, and relevant, because now I know that there's enough signals that show up in my scans over the 25 to 30 markets. And time bound, meaning, okay, now if I set some other parameters in terms of income levels per month or per week, now I've got some very specific goals that we can start to shape. Now there may be some other criteria that you want to include into that in your trading goals. Maybe it's, like for me, end-of-day trading means that I've got the bulk of my day to focus on other things. I don't want to be sitting at the computer. So that's a really important acronym, the SMART acronym. If you haven't seen my other post or art video on that, I highly encourage you to go watch that. It goes into more depth on how to use the SMART acronym to really get detailed with your goal setting. And then the last part, are your goals written down? Now this is interesting. One of the statistics that they talked about is that only 5% of people, roughly, set goals, but only 1% of them write them down. Now, you've heard me say this. They say 90% of traders lose money. I think it's 99%. And now we talk about with risk of ruin and everything else. I think over the long term, 99% of traders lose money. So, I encourage you to do all these little things that we talk about every day in the videos. To do the little things, they will pay big dividends. And I know this because I spend a lot of time going through every day, and I've crunched that down to where it's easy for me because I've set all the things up that would allow me to make sure that I go through this process every single day. And it's all designed at ensuring I avoid my risk of ruin with my trading, but I'm also monitoring my positive trade expectancy, and that I'm moving in a direction of constant improvement. If you're struggling with your trading, you need to focus on these fine details. You need to do the baby steps that are going to pay big dividends over the long term. So hopefully you got some value out of today's video, traders. Work hard on your goals. Set daily goals, weekly goals, monthly goals, 90-day goals, yearly goals, 5-year goals, 10-year goals. My question for you is that where do you want to be in 12 months? If you're exactly where you're at right now in 12 months, will you be happy with that? If you're not currently getting the results that you want in your trading, go back and chunk it down to your daily routines. You've got to align those and make them congruent with the results that you want. If you're able to do that, you're going to be able to learn, make mistakes, analyze that, and improve upon it. And that's the key. Don't focus on perfection, focus on constant improvement. Have a great trading week, and may the markets go with you.
Hi traders, it's Stacey Burke from Stacey Burke Trading. If you haven't done so, please head over to my website at staceyburketrading.com. I create updates on almost a daily basis, and I would love for you to receive them. Just click on the blog. If you want to enter your name and your email address, I'll send you my free audio program, the 7-Step Daily Routine for High Performance Traders. This is essential knowledge for all traders in all markets. And this is for helping traders to master the market with discipline, confidence, and a winning mindset. I appreciate all your feedback and comments. As always, traders, stay disciplined, and may the markets go with you.